Wales is a great country in which to grow up, but it can be miserable and frightening if you're experiencing bullying because of your sexuality. What we do know is if you can speak up, things can improve, so don't suffer in silence. Find someone who you can talk to about your concerns. That might be your parents, grandparents, or a close family friend, somebody in your school, or perhaps you could ring the Stonewall helpline on 08000 50 20 20. The Welsh Liberal Democrats are campaigning so that all schools in Wales have the help and support that they need to make a difference to homophobic bullying. I know it's tough, but if you can speak out, if you can find that help, we know that things do get better. So, come on, try it today. Find someone you can talk to, because we know that it can get better. It does get better today. Mae'n gwella heddiw.